Hello friends, it's me, your local egg. If you're new here, my name is Michael, I'm the Brooks brother. Thank you so much for watching. I shaved my head. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know. I'm coming to you with this look. Full face. We're doing eyes, lips, skin, all of it. There has been like a trend with like this mint eyeshadow thing. The Doja Cat video for Say So, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll insert a little photo here. But yeah, there was one look that a lot of people did, and I saw all over Instagram and TikTok and Twitter and all that. But it was like this mint color with like a thick black wing and like glitter on the lid. So, so beautiful. Definitely inspired me to get out some of the minty things that I have, like this. If you're a ColourPop fan, you know what this is. This is one of their little ×9 shadows. It's the mint to be one. I feel very like, I don't know, very mod, like very disco-y with like the nude lip and like the teal. I don't want to talk too much. You get the gist of what we're doing. Colorful smoky eye with some glitter, some new products per usual. Yeah. If you want to see the steps that I took in creating this mint look, please just keep on watching. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, let me know that you're watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much, and I will catch you guys at the end. Hi, I'm going to get right into it. I want to just do a smoky eye. Pretty boring, but I have a palette that I've never used. It's this ColourPop mint palette. Mint has kind of been a thing since Doja Cat did that Say So video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll insert a picture here. I'm not going to do that exact makeup because a lot of people did it, but I want to do something with this palette. I have had every difficulty today trying to get this filming together. I think maybe I'm trying to do too many things at once. Tried earlier to get something set up behind me, like a little backdrop, and it's like kind of wrinkly, but whatever. And then I was trying to use my laptop as a monitor, which I used to do, and it was fine. And it's not working anymore, and I can't get it to work. I uninstalled it and reinstalled it like a trillion times. It's not working. So I'm trying to use my iPad, which is very old. So I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I think I used to use my iPad, but I don't know. Anyway, just, you know, just things. But we're here now. I'm gonna start by priming my lids, per usual. I'm gonna use the ABH primer. I'm just gonna blend that with a ColourPop E9 brush. Oh, and by the way, my skincare is already done. My skin is prepped. One day I'll come back and actually do like an in-depth skincare video. We're not there yet. I'm going to jump into this palette. So these are really cute, I think. I'm gonna start with Dement. I'm just gonna tap that onto my socket. I really like the way these ColourPop eyeshadows are formulated. These little mini palettes. I have the blue one, I have the lavender one, I have the black one, and I have this one. And they're all really nice. So I want to blow out this first minty color. The color of it's really pretty. Just even this on its own is really, really nice. Anyway, I want to blow it out quite far because I want it to be like a big smoky eye. There was like a purple video that I did at the end of December, my like Norvina palette look, and I really, really miss that shape. Like I haven't done that shape of eyeshadow in a while, and I feel like it is generally quite well received because other people would probably wear it. Now starting with green up to your brow maybe isn't the most wearable, but I like it, I would wear it. I'm gonna go to another color in the palette here. I'm gonna use Ice Cold, this one here. And I'm gonna go to a smaller blending brush. And I wanna use that to build up some depth. Ooh, this color is really pretty. I'm just gonna wipe that off on the back of my hand a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back to the first color, Dement. And I just wanna buff some of that right along the top edge. I've been thinking about filming a Q&A video, like a Q&A get ready with me. I have a few makeup ideas in my head, so any one of them really I could do as like a get ready with me. I feel like I talk a little bit about myself, I guess, but I got a lot of DMs on Instagram, and I have been lately, just about like stuff. I feel like maybe now is the time to do a Q&A. Moving right along, I'm gonna go into Chill Factor on the same brush. And it's like a dark gray green, dark teal. And I just want to mute the lower lash line a little bit. Sorry, mute the upper lash line a little bit. It's my first time using this palette. Are we surprised? Probably not, because most of the things I upload on here are my first time using them. Look at all this. I want to deepen the lash line even a little bit more. This is a Melt Ultra Matte Gel Liner. It looks like this. It comes in a little pot. And it's like a deep green, greeny teal color. I've used this before and I loved it, but I've just never used it again. I'm gonna do a liner and then smudge it on the outer corner. And then I'm just gonna go over the edge with the blending brush. And I made the outer corner a little bit smokier with this really deep teal from Melt Cosmetics as well. This is from the Muerte palette. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, there's lots of color there, but it's quite messy. Just with all the fallout underneath, but it's not a fault of the shadow necessarily as much as it is my application, because I'm just being messy. I'm gonna go back to this ColourPop palette now. And this color up top here, this speaks to me. Excuse my nails, by the way, they're coming off. Literally, they are about to come off. I'm gonna grab some on my finger at first. Ooh. Ooh. Inner third of the lid. And this is that universal smoky shape that I always talk about, where it's like mid-tone in the crease, then it's dark on the outer corner, dark on the lash line, and gets thicker on the outer corner, and then there's something light and shimmery on the inner corner. I'm just gonna go back to my fluffy brush and just blend between the two so that it's not like a harsh line. I'm actually gonna pick up a bit of minty and just put it right in the center between the two colors. I want to use one more color just on the inner corner. This one in the top corner. It looks like it's the bottom corner, but it's just that I'm holding it. That color there. Wow. That's nice. Cool. Okay, I just used the makeup remover to wipe up under my eyes. I saw this thing that I also got in the kit when it came, and it's a body glitter, I'm pretty sure, but I've seen people use these on their eyes and I just swatched it on my hand. I can't get it off, but oh, it's so beautiful. I think I need to put it over top. So, wish me luck. I'm just gonna take some on my finger. Look at it. I'm just gonna take some on my finger and be gentle with it because I've put this on before. It was a crumble. I put too much on. Ooh. I was going to a party and before I knew it, there was glitter crumbling and falling into my eyes. And that might be the case today, but at least I'm just filming. So for the sake of a look, I think it's really pretty. Sorry, ColourPop, if you see this and you're like, please don't put that on your eyes. I just did. Now I think what we need is a pair of lashes. Obviously, there's glitter on. So I have Tatti TL4s. So I'm gonna pop those on. I'll be right back. All right, lashes are on. TL4s are so nice and fluffy. But the thing that I really like about Tatti TL4s is they are thin enough on the end that you can still see the light part on my lid, but then they're still thick enough here that it emphasizes the smoky bit on the outer corner. So you can still see the glitter, but it looks nice and fluffy. I really like this. I need to do my lower lash line. I need it to be dark. First, what I'm gonna do is just pop a little bit of concealer along underneath here so that the eyeshadow sticks. We're gonna do foundation in a bit, but as long as everything sticks there, it should be okay. I need a little bit of wet concealer. I don't want to put that eyeshadow base because it's so light. It will throw off the color of my concealer later. That concealer is just the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer, multi-use sculpting, whatever she said. Giving me St. Patrick's Day vibes. And St. Patrick's Day is gone and finished. St. Patrick's Day is not happening in 2020. No ma'am. Maybe this is my homage to St. Patrick. If you're listening, St. Patrick, this one's for you. Especially from the Brooks Brother. I'm gonna go to Ice Cold, this color here, and I'm pressing that into my lash line all the way across. But I'm gonna make it nice and thick on the outer corner here, so that we have room to blend into that sort of wingy shape. It's starting to come together. My eyes look extremely red now. I'm gonna take that same Melt Gel eyeliner, that dark greeny color. I'm gonna pop that into my waterline. I'm just gonna take the littlest amount of this deep teal color that we put in the smoky bit. Oh, this is actually a melt brush. 25 Precision. Well, I'm just gonna do this. And I don't know if you can see, I feel like if you have brown eyes that have a red undertone like me, like my eyes are dark brown, but they do have quite a red, like a reddish orange undertone when they're in the light. I feel like this deep blue undertoned green makes my eyes look really red, like the actual iris look really red-brown. My eyes are like a really deep brown, but around the outside is a black ring. And when there's this like dark teal color around it, it makes them look really red. My eyes are done now, so I'm gonna do my skin. So I'm gonna zoom this out. I'm gonna use some primer. This is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, the Perfecting one. And then foundation I'm going to use is Laura Mercier, the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. I got this a while ago, I've worn it a few times, but I never used it on my channel, so here we are. Color is 4N1 Suntan. And I'm just gonna buff that in with this is a Lush foundation brush. I really like brushes for foundation at the moment. I want to highlight my under eye a little bit. Laura Mercier concealer as well. This is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. This color is 3N. Just kind of slap it on. I'm just going to use this brush from foundation to just blend it into my chin and jaw. Under eyes, I'm going to use a Morphe sponge. Because we're doing Laura Mercier today, I guess we're doing the family. I'm gonna use some Laura Mercier powder too. This is just the traditional. Oh, actually, I didn't do any bronzer yet. I'm gonna do my Studio Fix stick, and this is NC55. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes. My nose. Never mind. I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna take it right up into the front of my brow, because why not? Normally we just do bronzer on my nose, but I'm feeling very glam today. Now I'm finally ready to set my under eyes. In with Miss Laura Mercier now, finally, she's been waiting. I need to set the rest of my face as well. I'm gonna use this Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC. This is medium dark, just on a fluffy powder brush. I'm also going to set my bronzer. I'm just going to use my Fenty. I'm going to use some blush too. This is from ABH. Called Pink Passion. I'm going to do a pinky blush just to balance out all the warmth so that things look good with the green. So that it's not like super cool toned eyes and then warm everywhere else. I need some new blushes. Can people give me some blush recommendations? That'd be really nice. I have a Laura Mercier one that I really like. I have a MAC one I really like. These ABH ones are nice, but I'd like something else too. If anyone could recommend some blushes for like my kind of skin tone. I'd really like a re-up of NARS Orgasm actually. That would be really nice. Okay, blush is on. Let me wipe away this bake. You're looking cute and bronzy and flushed and minty and like a Loch Ness monster. Let's get some highlighter on. This is a big, big throwback. This is Champagne Pop from Becca. One of those highlights that's just been sitting in my drawer for so long. And when I bought it, I used it so much that I dropped it and broke it. So then I had to fix it. Since then, I've just been so scared to like throw it in my makeup bag and like bring it with me. I'm just scared it's gonna break again. But the color is really nice. Ooh, wow. So I put a little color in my brows. It's depixym. It's the same thing that I've used in the last couple videos. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's like these little emulsions that are safe to use anywhere on the face. I will link it down below. Yeah, so that just put through my brow to make them a little bit blonder, and they've got roots coming in, so I just want to like freshen it up. I put some mascara on my lower lashes and I put some freckles on. So yeah, now we are finished the face. I'm going to do a lip. I've just lined my lips with Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Pencil. I always use this. I'm gonna put a lipstick on now. This is a MAC one. It's called Shrimpton, and it's just like a beigey nude. That looks good like that, but I'm gonna do some lip gloss. I'm gonna use my Fenty Diamond Milk. So yeah, that's it there. I really, really like this. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder down here and I'm just like, I wouldn't say no to me. Would you?
Would you?
That's where I'm gonna leave it. I really like how this came together. I think Miss Doja Cat was responsible, or is responsible, for the desire to wear this color, or this color palette. Obviously this is way different than the makeup in the music video. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this, and as always, I hope that you saw some products in action that maybe you were curious about, and I hope you picked up a couple tips along the way, and I hope it inspires you to try something new. Now is the time to try new things with your makeup. Go crazy, take some pictures. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Everything that I use will be listed down below. That's it. Until my next video, I will be back very soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. You know what to do. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care.